an interview?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Where are you
My
from?
voice a little bit, sorry.
Where are you from?
I'm from Holland, but I live in London.
And what are your hobbies?
I like photography, and fashion, art.
And what is your opinion about going to school?
Yeah, I think it's a good thing to go to school and finish your education. I think it will give you better opportunities in the future.
Yes. Is there anything special about your school? For example, different clubs or sport teams?
I'm in
The college?
yeah.
And in the high school? What is
Yeah, there
different?
was yeah, we had like sport activities twice a week.
Ah,
Yeah.
yes, okay. What's your favorite football team?
I think Ajax in Holland.
Okay. If you like to play video games or computer games, which one do you play? Or don't you play?
I don't really play.
Okay. If you want to see your friends, which place in London do you normally meet?
I think somewhere to go to dinner for drinks.
Okay. What do you think about the TV series Geordie Shore? Do you drink a lot when you go out?
Well, not a lot, but it depends. Sometimes I do go out,
Yes,
and have
yes.
some fun. And
Okay.
I like the TV show. It's like funny, but
Yes,
it's not like
very funny.
real life to me.
Yeah. Okay. Do you use a lot of social media?
Well, not that much, but Facebook and Instagram.
Okay. And on a scale from 1 to 10, how would you rate my English?
Your English?
Yes.
Oh,
It's for school.
I think like 9. It's very
Okay,
good,
thank you.
yeah.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay.
Ik heb niets gedaan, hè.